Hi guys, this is Jeric. For today's video, I will teach you a quick and easy trick to remove unwanted spaces between words in just few seconds. Let's get started. First, open a Word document file or simply paste your text into Microsoft Word, especially if it has a problem like this with an extra spaces between words. Now, press Ctrl A to highlight all text. After highlighting the text, press Ctrl plus H to open the Find and Replace window. You place a caret W, find what field which represents multiple spaces. Next, type a single space in the Replaced with field. Now, click the Replace All button, then click Yes to confirm the changes. Now, as you can see, all the extra spaces and tabs has been removed and everything is now clean, properly aligned and well formatted. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.